free Microsoft Office alternative for Mac? In this video, I'm going to show you how to download LibreOffice, a free program that will allow you to open and create Word docs, Excel sheets, and PowerPoint files completely free. And if this video helps you, please consider giving a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. First, go to the LibreOffice website, scroll over Download, and click Download LibreOffice. A link to this website is going to be in the description. When it finishes downloading, go ahead and open the .dmg and then drag LibreOffice into your applications. You should then be able to double-click to open it, confirm the open prompt, and once it gets going, you have your whole Office suite here. On the left, you can easily choose an alternate version of Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint. I'm in the Word portion right now. From here, you're able to open any .doc or .docx file and even save a file type as them, as shown here. You will be able to do the same with Microsoft Excel format files, such as .xls or .xlsx, or the standard PowerPoint files .ppt and .pptx. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.